Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. It's day number 4, and got a little story. Last night, after these guys left, had a raccoon in my chicken coop, or tried to get in my chicken coop. Poor girls. You all right today, girls? Yeah. Good? Okay. Don't worry. I got rid of that bad raccoon. No, you're not coming out. You're not coming out. Nope. Not yet. Anyway, yeah, it came up to the chicken coop. Tried to get in. My shepherd got a hold of it, and between me and him, that was about the end of the raccoon. So that was broad daylight. Not sure if it had rabies or not. Didn't act like it, but you never know, I guess. So like I said, it's day 4, and the guys were here early again. It's foggy out, and yeah, they're hard at work. So I'll document as much as I can of it, and see what we get done today. Once again, thanks for being here. I appreciate you guys. I like the front porch. That's nice. Alright, so day 4 is in the books, and they actually completed the entire outside of the pole barn today. That's the good news. The bad news is they can't do the inside until I get the concrete in, and the concrete guy is behind, so I won't be getting concrete for 3 weeks. And then the inside will be finished. So let's take a quick look at the final building, at least what they got done so far. Okay. So yeah, whole thing is done. The trim, I like the colors. I actually picked these colors online and then adjusted them to make them a tiny bit darker than I did. Windows, I got 8 windows. Door, love the porch. Love the porch. And on this side, all right, this is the neighbor's side. The 2 windows on here too. Pretty nice. They put this garage door on after they do the inside because there's trim and stuff to do, and the tracks for it up on the joists. So, but this is the inside. It's all framed out for insulation. Front door works good. Got a lot of stuff to get rid of that they left here, but I'll get a dumpster or something. But yeah, turned out nice. Love the colors. Shame I gotta wait 3 weeks for concrete, but other than that, it's awesome. Looks good. Alright, so that's it for the outside of the building. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. And I'll get back to you when they bring the concrete, when they're pouring the concrete, doing the inside, the insulation. I have a lot going on here, so if you guys like this kind of stuff, subscribe, because I'm going to be running a sub panel out here and some new electric in the house. Got a lot going on, so appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.